Welcome to the future. Today we are going to explore one of the most luxurious mansions in the world, 2023. As you can see, this place is out of this world. Not only is it extremely large, but it also has all the features that you could possibly dream of. From a pool that stretches for miles to an indoor garden with gorgeous flowers, there is really nothing that this place doesn't have. So what are you waiting for? Watch the video and start planning your dream vacation now. List of the most expensive houses in the world. 1. London's Buckingham Palace. Let us begin with the most apparent assumption made by most individuals of the Queen of England's house. It is estimated to be worth $2.9 billion and has 775 bedrooms, 78 baths, and 92 workspaces. While the British monarchy possesses other palaces and castles around the United Kingdom, Buckingham Palace has been regarded as a sign of the monarchy since 1837. The palace, located in the center of Westminster, is also in the foreground of state events and imperial banquets. Owns the second most expensive house in the world, named Antilia II. Mumbai's Antilia Tower. The Ambani family, one of the most well-known Indian business families, owns the second most expensive house in the world. Its name is Antilia. The 27-story building is believed to be worth between $1 billion and $2 billion. In addition to a 6-story parking garage, the complex has a spa and wellness center with indoor pools, a movie theater, and a snow room that extensively uses Vastu design principles. 3. France's Villa Leopolda. Lili Safra, belonging to the Safra family, the wealthiest family in Brazil and one of the world's top bankers, owns the Villa Leopolda. This property was handed to her by her late spouse when he passed away. It contains 11 rooms and 14 bathrooms, and it is situated on about 50 acres of ground. Villa La Leopolda, which is estimated to be worth $750 million, was named after its original owner, King Leopold II of Belgium, who gifted the estate to his lover, Blanche Zelia Josephine Delacroix, in the early 20th century. 4. London's Whittenhurst. This private estate, which is worth over $450 million, has been one of the largest residences on the planet, as well as one of the most expensive houses in the world. It was built in the early 20th century and has almost 90,000 square feet of floor space. The historical estate was named Parkfield, and it has been in the possession of a Russian tycoon since 2008 when he purchased it. 5. Villa Les Cèdres, French Riviera, France. Located in a gated community, this 18,000 square foot estate is fit for royalty. In the classic royal style, which was created in 1830 for the Belgian king, you'll find stunning works of art, heavenly and antique furniture, and opulent bedding that has not changed. $410 million is this house's worth, and it is amongst the most expensive houses in the world. 6. New York's Fairfield Mansion. This is a 63-acre property possessed by an American multimillionaire and is one of the most expensive in the United States. A total of 29 bedrooms and 35 bathrooms are available, 3 dining rooms, 3 swimming pools, and a private cinema. To provide a constant energy supply, the facility features its own on-site power plant. According to the most recent valuation, it is presently worth $249 million. 7. London's Kensington Palace, 18 to 19. It is owned by Lakshmi Mittal, an Indian steel industrialist, and is situated on the second most expensive street in the world. He has one but 3 distinct houses, 9A, 18 to 19. The home was initially designed in 1845, but Mittal reinvested in it in order to turn it into a Taj Mittal. It is believed to be worth $70 million. 8. California's Ellison Estate. An Oracle co-founder and one of the most affluent real estate investors, Larry Ellison, owns the property. The construction of this home in the Japanese style lasted about 9 years. As well as a 5-acre artificial lake, there are 3 guest bungalows and a fitness center. It's heavily influenced by Japan's design and decorating style. This house amongst the list of the most expensive houses in the world is estimated at $200 million. 9. California's Palazzo d'Amore. With one of the most premium real estate markets in the nation, It's no surprise that Beverly Hills has some of the most costly properties in America. The property has a total floor area of around 53,000 square feet. It has 12 rooms and 23 bathrooms and tennis courts, an enormous waterfall private pool, 27 parking spaces in the garage, and a 25-acre property that includes a wine-producing vineyard. It is presently worth around $195 million. The property was initially listed for roughly $35 million, but it was restored for 7 years before being relisted on the market in 2017. 10. Washington, D.C.'s Xanadu 2.0. This home, which is 66,000 square feet in size, is the residence of Bill Gates. For the design and construction, he spent over $65 million and 7 years on the project. There is a 60-foot pool, a 2,100 square foot library, a hidden pub, and a remote-controlled wall artwork, just to name a few of the property's distinguishing and innovative characteristics. It is included on the list of the world's most expensive houses in the world, with a current worth of $125 million. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.